today I'm going to show you how to make wiki links that don't open in a new tab when they link to other wikis. So I found some on this Corsa Megalodor page here in the Nitro Wiki to the Megalovania wiki, because apparently it references Megalovania. So taking stuff from that, and it's actually not, I don't think it's possible to do it with the visual editor. You have to be in the source editor to do this. Oops, there. It's W:C, then it's the wiki name that you would see in the URL. Then you take out all this unnecessary stuff. And colon, and then the page name. And finally, a vertical line to separate everything. And close the brackets. And that's all there is to it. And if we preview the page, you see it opens up to the Teams Wiki, which will actually be merging with the Entry-Type Racing Profiles Wiki soon. So we'll be voting on the new name soon, so please come and vote on it. So that's you. So it's only opening in a new tab right now because this is only a preview. So let's save our changes. And then click on the link, and it does not open a new tab, even though it's linking to a different wiki. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you made your day a little bit better. Peace.